My name is Jamie. I'm in a neighborhood that got slammed the end of last summer with a microburst. Many trees came down in our neighborhood. Many houses were damaged in the neighborhood. We were fortunate that we did not have any structural damage when that happened. I had taken a quick look around the house and just didn't see anything that looked out of place. I thought we were kind of off the hook. The day after the storm, I got a knock at the door, and it was an Artisan representative. He said, "I noticed you have an older style roof and an older style siding that most likely has wind damage." And I thought, gee, I never even considered that. And he offered to go up on the roof, take pictures of damage. When he finished, he showed me, and I was amazed because I had not seen any of the damage. He offered to be a representative between myself and my insurance company in exchange for using Artisan. And I thought, wow, I never expected that. I said, please go forward. Then I asked him if he had access to a tree company. He said yes, and he literally picked up the phone. The next day, I had a really good tree company here. They were here for 2 straight days, all day, removing trees. That was a huge help. The Artisan rep then scheduled a meeting. The insurance person came with an inspector for the roof. The Artisan rep went up on the roof with him, pointed out where he had seen damages. That really got the ball rolling. One thing led to another, and once the insurance came through, Artisan was then going to put the roof on the house. I was amazed. It was only a couple of weeks later that 7:30 on a Saturday morning, there was a crew on my roof. And at 1:30 that afternoon, they were gone. And you would never have known they were here. And they did a fabulous job on the roof. Next was the siding. Within the next month, we had a crew here of 3. They were siding the house took them about a week, and they did a fabulous job. My wife and I have been very pleased. Not just the job that everyone from Artisan done. The representative from Artisan did everything he said he was going to do within the time frame that he said it was going to happen. We've just been very pleased. I offered to do this because of the job they did. A lot of companies these days aren't doing what they say they're going to do, and Artisan has. And I would be glad to use them again, and glad to offer to anyone to say what I'm saying right here today. Certainly my background is nowhere near roofing and siding. We are extremely pleased at the job that Artisan did. I would absolutely use them again, and I would highly recommend to anyone in need of a new roof, siding, to consider Artisan and go with them.